Wow. Julian's.
Julian.
Wow.
Good morning.
Good morning, guys. You wanna come?
No.
Come on.
No.
Why are you hiding?
Okay, bye.
Why are you hiding? Good morning. We are in Chiang Mai. Today we are doing the elephant. Today we're doing the elephant.
We are going to meet elephants for the first time.
Yeah, Julian's gonna see the elephants for the first time, right, puppy?
Yes.
Yes.
So we are excited.
Yeah, right now we got invited over to the house next door for breakfast. So we're gonna go have some breakfast and then they're gonna come pick us up. Coffee makes me happy.
Good morning. Here.
Fried rice, fruits.
So fried rice with egg, bread,
Nice.
cheese, pork, and sweet potato.
Nice.
Yeah.
Good morning, guys.
Bread and vegetable fried rice with egg.
We have some sweet potato in here, fruits, fried rice with eggs, and toast. The coffee has arrived. Thank you.
With more bread, I had more bread.
Now that was a good breakfast. We just wrapped up our breakfast. Now we're just gonna wait for our pickup to come for the elephant sanctuary. He's coming, he's with David. And then we're gonna go see some elephants. You ready? Vamos. ¿Qué tú haces? ¿Qué tú haces, hijo? Anda. Papi. Ah.
Oh, you have a good sleep? Here, you got a good sleep. Thank you.
Wow.
Nice. Nice.
Oh, he's.
We made it to this. What is the name of the place?
The elephant sanctuary.
Yes, we made it to the elephant sanctuary. This is beautiful. They have not only elephants, they also have cats, dogs, any animals that they can rescue here. So we just made it. I guess we're gonna introduce ourselves to everyone and we'll show you around in a bit.
This is amazing. Look at this. It looks like we're in Jurassic Park over here. Oh, there are the elephants. Let's go. Let's see what Julian's reaction is. Oh, look. Right here, babe. Let's see. We're going. Hi. ¿Quiere darle? Did we get? Here. Mira. Mira para el elefante, mira.
They're hungry but not feeding them. We have more people come to give them food.
Wow.
You are my group, right? Okay, that one.
Wow. Mira, Julian, look at the elephants. Wow. Dáselo, papi. Hi. No. Wow. Julian's.
¿Está comiendo la banana? No, espérate. Bueno, yo se lo doy.
Julian.
It looks like me in Mexico. Yeah, remember that picture? Yeah.
Her name,
She has a broken leg, babe. This one, look, you see how she, yeah.
Oh my god.
Julian, mira.
Oh,
Oh, that is
One more.
adorable.
Julian.
Oh, okay. So like you bathe.
this place is just heaven for these animals. They've been rescued from awful situations. Like this one here, she was used to ride people around and they dislocated her hip because of the heavy seat on his back and the amount of people that he ride for such a long time in the day. He dislocated her hip. That one over here, this one, it's blind. She's blind because of the whole flashes from the circus, so she can't see. And that one over there, you see her leg has this wrap with something. She stepped on a mine, the border. So she stepped literally on a bomb, and that was what happened to her foot. That's terrible and sad, but at the same time, we feel happy that they have found them and they are here in this awesome place.
It's crazy. Fun side effect. Yeah.
Mira, mira. Mira el elefante. Yay! So we just finished having some lunch provided by the elephant sanctuary team.
It's an elephant natural park.
Elephant Natural Park.
It was delicious. It was vegetarian. It was
Everything
really
was
yummy.
everything was really good, and so we took like a little break, and now we are heading over to the river to see the elephants playing in the river, and hopefully we can also see some baby elephants. So we're on our way there now.
Look how they built this thing around the tree. It's for the elephants to not punch the tree.
Oh yeah. Julian, how excited were you to see the elephants, eh? How excited? Julian?
This was an amazing experience, so we are really happy that Melanie found this place.
Thanks, Mom.
This park is called Elephant Natural Park, so we invite everyone to come and visit because you're gonna have an amazing time with the elephants and all the animals that they rescue here. Julian had a great time too. Now he's like thirsty. Very thirsty.
This wraps up today's video for our visit to the elephant park. Definitely check it out. Don't forget to follow our A&R Travel the World Instagram, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And then if you guys need a tour guide, you can hire her. She's really good. Or maybe you can hire this guy right here. He's not as good, but he's alright. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.